In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create menus in WordPress. So before we start creating our custom headers and our custom footers, we first need to create the navigation menus that are going to appear in our header. So here I am on my website right now, and you'll notice in the header menu, the links to different pages here are using the full title link. And I don't want that. I just want my menu buttons to say home, about, contact, etc. So I'm going to teach you how to switch up this menu right here and customize it any way you want. So we do that by going into the WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, I go to Appearance, then I click on Menus. And here's where I can create my custom menus. I can create as many as I want. I'm going to start here next to menu name and create one called header menu. Next, I click Create Menu on the right-hand side. And since this is going to be my primary menu in the header, next to display location, I'm going to click Primary Menu. I'm going to save this one more time, like so. And now I'm going to choose which pages and which links I actually want to appear in this menu. And I do that on the left-hand side right here. So if I minimize this, you'll see there's options for pages. There's options to add posts. I can do custom links. This could be a URL to, some other website. And I can also do categories. So I'm going to start with pages. I want to add my contact page. I want to add my about page. This page is actually my home page, so I want to add that one as well. And then I'm going to click Add to Menu. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to add the last post that we just made. So if I click on Posts, I'm going to check New Entrepreneur Meetups and click Add to Menu as well. So now we just need to customize the link names here. If I click this down arrow, I'm going to change this to just say About, like so. I'm going to change this one to say Home, since this is the home page. And then for this blog post, maybe I call this something like New Events. Now this isn't quite the order I want them to appear in, so I can just drag these around however I want. I'm going to do Home, About, then maybe New Events, and then Contact. If you indent these menus like this, that's going to create a drop-down box. So the home will have kind of a down arrow, and then About and New Events will appear in that menu drop-down. I'm not going to do that for this menu. I'm just going to put these all in one line here, like so. So now that I'm done, I'm going to click Save Menu one more time. And now if I view my website, I can go to the site name, click Visit Site, and you'll see here in the header, I have Home, About, New Events, and Contact. Pretty cool. So if I click New Events, it's going to go to that blog post we just created. The About is going to go to the About page, etc. So that's how you create menus in WordPress. If I go back into the admin, I can create a new menu at any time by clicking this Create a New Menu button. So if you might end up creating menus for your footer if you want, or some other pages, a lot of ways you can use menus. For now, we're just going to use the main menu in our header. So that's all for this video. As always, be sure to rate this step and leave your feedback.